Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be introducing you to Top 5 Best Dehumidifier of 2024. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your opinions are highly valued.
Introducing the GoveeLife Smart Dehumidifier for basements. Maximize comfort with remote app control, Alexa, Google Assistant, and FTTT compatibility. Experience automatic humidity adjustment with a built-in sensor or pair with a Govee thermohygrometer for even greater precision. Dehumidify up to 70 pints of air per day for efficient moisture removal, keeping your home comfortable without feeling too dry. Certified Energy Star most efficient, it saves you 50.31% more energy than competitors. Enjoy easy drainage options. A 2-gallon water tank with full reminders or continuous drainage using the included 1.6-foot hose or a garden hose, not included. Protect your investment with auto defrost and extended lifespan technology. Note: this product is designed for use in the US with electrical plugs specific to this region. Introducing the BREEZOME 60OZ dehumidifier, your perfect solution for reducing excess moisture in small spaces. With dual semiconductor condensers, this dehumidifier efficiently absorbs up to 550 milliliters of moisture daily, creating a drier, more comfortable environment. Its 1.8L large water tank ensures long operation without frequent emptying, while the auto shut-off feature conveniently alerts you when it's full. Portability is made easy with a built-in handle, and the defrost function eliminates frost buildup. Choose between power mode or a quiet 35 dB sleep mode for restful nights. The colorful LED nightlight adds a soothing touch. Control your operation with the programmable 12 minutes, 24 minutes, 36 minutes, 48-hour timer, ensuring energy efficiency. This dehumidifier is perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, RVs, and other spaces where moisture control is crucial. Don't wait, upgrade to the BREEZOME 60OZ dehumidifier today for a fresher, drier home tomorrow.
Introducing the remarkable Waykar dehumidifier, certified by Energy Star for exceptional efficiency. With a staggering dehumidification capacity of up to 80 pints per day, this powerhouse efficiently removes moisture from spaces up to 5,000 square feet. Harnessing smart technology, the intelligent touch control panel empowers you to customize the humidity level from 30% to 80%, while the 24-hour timer ensures preset operation and energy savings. The Waykar dehumidifier features a unique quiet design with a low noise level, allowing you to enjoy a tranquil environment while the unit works diligently. Its compact design and lightweight portability make it easy to move from room to room. Versatile drainage options include a removable 1.14-gallon water tank or continuous draining via the included 3.3-foot drain hose. The detachable filter ensures clean and fresh air, contributing to a healthier living space. With its advanced features and impressive performance, the Waykar 80 Pints Energy Star Dehumidifier is the perfect solution for managing humidity in your home, basement, or large spaces.
Introducing the PSOS dehumidifier. High efficiency. Removes up to 35 ounces of moisture daily. Smart features, auto shutoff and LCD display for humidity and temperature monitoring. Upgraded water tank, holds more water, reducing frequent emptying. Quiet operation. Peltier technology minimizes noise, 28 dB in sleep mode. 2 operating modes, high speed and sleep mode for tailored performance. Ambient lighting. 7-color LED light for soothing ambiance. Energy efficient. Consumes only 1.5–3 kW over 24 hours. Excellent customer support. 1-year free replacement. 3-year maintenance and lifetime technical assistance. Introducing the game-changing Aiusevo 22-pint dehumidifier. This efficiency powerhouse removes up to 2.5 gallons per day, ideal for spaces up to 2,500 Sq.Ft. With its child lock, auto shutoff, and fireproof material, safety comes first. Choose between 3 modes: Dehu, adjustable humidity and fan speed, dry for wet clothes, and continuous 24/7 dehumidification. Its smart RH display and 24-hour timer allow for precise control. Plus, the washable filter, drain hose, lift-up handles, and 360 wheels make it incredibly convenient. Enjoy a 1-year warranty and exceptional customer support. Experience the ultimate moisture control with Aiusevo.